A very good afternoon to everyone. Today, on this auspicious occasion of website launch of Robotics Club UT, we all are present here. So, I welcome all the faculty members and everyone else present here. Now, I hand over to Swaraj and Shreya for further anchoring.
We are very sorry for making you all wait, but the wait has come to an end now. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome our honorable faculty members, executive member of RC, and all my dear friends. Well, let me make the notion of today's gathering clear. We have all gathered here for the expo of our website, for the website of RC, or you can say it a launching session of our website. So today you're gonna all witness a very great historic moment. Well, before anyone of you say anything, I am apologizing for being verbose. So this is your host and the anchor of this session, Swaraj Srivastav from Computer Science and Engineering, BTech second year, and
Hello and good afternoon, honorable faculty members, respected seniors, my colleagues, and my dear juniors. This is Shreya Singh, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, BTech second year student. So, before starting this event, first of all, I'd like to introduce our honorable faculty members. Professor B.K. Pandey sir, Chairman, Council of Student Activities, Dr. Rajan Mishra sir, Vice Chairman, Council of Student Activities, Dr. Rajesh Kumar Verma sir, Vice Chairman, Council of Student Activities, Dr. Dharmendra Kumar sir, Faculty Advisor, Technical Sub-Council, Dr. B.P. Pandey sir, Faculty Advisor, Robotics Club. We are highly obliged and grateful to have you all in our event, and it made our day more joyous. Thank you to all honorable faculty members. Back to you, Swaraj.
so without wasting your precious time further, let me take you all to our website. So this is the opening page of our website. So first of all, let me take you all to the bottom, very bottom. So it is written over here, created with love by Aditya. Well, this is the man behind. He have the great contribution in making our virtual presence possible. Without him, we would not be able to come here. So we would like to have a great launch, a great applause, a great applause, a kind of virtual applause because we cannot have a live applause. So let me take you back to the top. So this is about us. A very brief introduction about the robotics club, how old we are, what are the and every activities that we conduct. Robotics club, as you can see here, robotics club has done it all. We interactive, we we organize a lot of workshops, coding contests, quizzes, webinars, and robomanias. Well, in a year we organize a lot of events, but there are some of the events which for sure is gonna happen. Just for example, Robomania and Synergia. You can, as you can see here, event conducted by Robotics Club include Robomania, Synergia, the Engineers Week, Cladding the Contest, and development web development classes. We taught our juniors and all the enthusiastic men how to develop a website. And if we go down, there is a news section. All the current happenings, all the news and the notices you can get over here. Now, if we move forward, we have a great faculty members. As my co-hosts already have introduced you all to these great names. But let me tell you something. A wise man have once said that we, the young generation, have a lot of enthusiasm in us, but it is impossible for us to have a great ending without a proper path, without a righteous path. So, taking that phrase in account, we always make decisions by taking their experience, their advice in accounts. They always heads us to the right directions. And moving forward, we have the contact session. So these are some of the contacts which is already active mode. You can send your name, emails, and any queries, any questions you have, you can send it here and submit us. So here are the bottom section, home. When you click on the home, you will get on the top on the home page, and you can see over here we have a logo. If you are in any page of this website, when you click this logo, you will get yourself on this home page. Well, I think everything is quite obvious to you all. The UI is very user-friendly and very easy to use. And this, the Robomania, this is the Robomania page, official Robomania page of the event which we conduct. And these are all the events which happens in the Robomania's 10. These are all the events you can check on here. So, and Synergia, just like the Robomania, we also have a Synergia. These are some of the very great events. It happens in a very large scale. Robomania is one of the very attractive events of the Robotics Club. And these are all the events which happens under the Synergia. Contact us, as you can have already seen. Contact about us. Just a little brief intro about us. And on the top, you can see over here events, even just the Robomania and the Synergia, as I've already shown you. If you want to get connected with the Robotics Club, these are the respective links of LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You should definitely go to YouTube because we regularly post the very new concept videos over there. Now our team. Meet our team. As you can see here, with hard works and diligent team members in one group, despite of the fact that it is impossible to put two alpha men in the same room. Well, this is the greatness of our club. This is the team members from the final year, Mr. President, Mr. Vice President, Miss Vice President, and all the other members of the Robotics Club from final year. These are from the final year. And these are the executive member of Robotics Club from the third year. So the man what I'm talking about, Aditya Saha sir from ECE third year, he is the man who have contributed a major contribution in this website. And all the other members from the third year. And this is the year where I also belong, from the second year. These are all the members from the second year of Robotics Club. These are also the newly appointed executive members of the Robotics Club. And I'm here, as you can see. And yes, if you want to connect with any of them, you just have to go to their respective social media link. And you can get yourself connected to any member of the Robotics Club. And as I've shown you, these are the link of our social of our official page. So I guess everything is very obvious to all of you because the UI is just the basic things. So I would like to pass the mic to the Shreya for the further entertainment.
What a wonderful website designed by our third year senior Aditya Kumar sir, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, BTech third year, and his team. Now, moving forward, now I would like to call Professor B.K. Pandey sir to exchange some precious words. Sir, please.
Thank you, Shreya. Thank you for inviting me. Really, your website is very good. And I congratulate to you all and who have contributed to design this particular website of the Robotics Club. One or two things which I wish to suggest to people, because always there is a chance of improvement in all of the tasks, whatever you are taking in your hand. As far this website is concerned, obviously it's contain almost all the things which is required for the Robotics Club. But I think that in this pandemic situation where we are moving, our student must have the matter related to their teaching and their innovation that should place in a particular corner so that they can realize at any time whenever they are free. So what the content, perhaps you people are taking the classes of them. They are giving some tips for the tooling as well as for coding, etc. So I think that should be recorded, and that should lie in a particular corner of the website. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, whatever the creative work you people are doing here, there should be the documentation, and a particular corner should be there. Although the notice and all things you have displayed there, but there should be the corner where you are containing all those things which you people are doing here, because of the lack of documentation, sometimes you are underestimated that what you did and what you have left there.
Yes,
Number
sir.
1 point. Number 3 point is there, always there is the chance of improvement of the task, whatever you are completing under the banner of the text, on the banner of the this technical sub council. So I think that there should be again a corner where you should mention that what was the excellent thing and what was left, and that should be incorporated in future by naming them what was the hot and what was the not. So these three points should be there as a corner of your website. Then that will be very good for your newcomers, your students to whom you wish to pass your legacy of this one. And at the same time, I wish to congratulate again to you people for your grand success, for your events, as well as for your nice designing of this website. And with this very small story in the Hindi, I wish to share you कि देखो डिफरेंट आपके सब काउंसिल पे डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं. सबका ऑब्जेक्टिव यही है कि कुछ इंथुजियाज्म, कुछ इनोवेशन, कुछ क्रिएशन, इस टाइप की चीज़ें आप डेवलप करिए. इसके लिए ज़रूरी ये है कि आप अपने जो न्यू कमर्स स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके अंदर उनकी सोच में थोड़ा परिवर्तन लाइए. इसके बारे में एक बहुत छोटी सी घटना है कि जब भारत और पाकिस्तान का बंटवारा हुआ, एक बहुत बड़ा पत्रकार ये सोचने लगा कि पाकिस्तान में आखिर बदला क्या इंडिया से. तो ही go there and he started to talk the people as well as the administration also, and ultimately he write the 2 lines कि फर्क कुछ भी नजर नहीं आता जिंदानों में, फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि जंजीरें बदल जाती हैं. अगर सोच नहीं बदली तो कुछ भी नहीं बदलेगा, सोच बदलने से तकदीरें बदल जाती हैं. That means that you have to create and you have inculcate the zeal and enthusiasm among your students, among your juniors, so that they can do some more innovative what you were unable to do that. Otherwise, whatever the coding you learn there, only that you have passed to your juniors, then that never fulfills your purpose of this robotics club as well as of your technical sub-council. So please take care of that, and on this particular slogan and on this particular line you should work, and you should always improve whatever you people are doing under the aegis of the Council of Student Activities of this university. Being the chairman of this, I again congratulations to all the members, Swaraj, Shreya, Matri, and other your faculty members, respected Rajan Mishra ji, Dr. Dharmen ji, Brahma Pandey ji, so all others whosoever who have contributed apparently and from who are behind the curtain, I acknowledge them and I congratulate for the contribution of you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your great words. We are obliged to have you.
Now it is my great honor to call Dr. Rajan Mishra sir to share some precious words. Sir, please.
Thank you, Shreya. First of all, thank you for inviting me on this occasion. First of all, I will congratulate all the faculty in charge and all the office bearer of robotics for their efforts. As Professor Pandey sir has already addressed various issues, so at that moment, I want to add only one thing. So try to involve more and more in different activity of your robotics, right?
Okay, sir.
It should not be only for electronics, or you can say electrical engineering. We'll try to involve more students from other branches also, like computer science, mechanical, etc. Right? And once again, thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your precious work.
Well, thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to call Dr. Dharmendra Kumar sir to share some golden words. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, everyone, and congratulations to all team members of Robotics Club for taking the initiative of website launching. I hope everyone are fine and healthy. We are facing health issues due to this pandemic situations, but keeping this aside, we have to move forward. So today we gathered here for inaugural event of official website launching of Robotics Club. So every year we launch website of Robotics Club under the banner of Technical Sub Council CSA. The main focus of this club is to enhance the knowledge and provide a platform for creating new technology and solving challenges by the student. So students are encouraged to join the club with full enthusiasm and interest. No doubt you will be get profit to join this club. The major events of this club is Robomania and Synergia. So under the Robomania, there are so many technical events uh, such as RoboWars, Electro NFS, Laser Strike, Bomb Diffusion, and many more, which enhance the knowledge practically. So
Yes, sir.
you have the great opportunity and join as much as you can because this club is only for you. So best of luck and welcome you all in this club. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your golden words.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I'd like to call BP Pandey, sir, to grace us with his golden words. Sir, please.
Very good afternoon to all of you. And I would like to first of all congratulate to the Robotics Club members, those who have taken this initiative to launch this website. And there are so many events as under the banner of this Robotics Club has been organized regularly. And in that content, I would like to thanks CSA chairman, vice chairman, and the technical sub council faculty advisor. So, because without their help and without their acknowledge, we cannot do anything. And there are several proposals come and events proposal coming from the RC club. And I would always say that please keep in mind that no event will be overlapping with the other clubs, so that we have to unique in our club.
Yes, sir.
Because if the events are overlapping and we are not much attract the attention of the students, because they get bored if they didn't find any new concept, new ideas. So this is the major objective which you have to keep in mind for future arranging and proposing any event under the banner of this Robotics Club. Also, I would advise, please incorporate the suggestions made by the Professor B.K. Pandey sir, because these points are very relevant, because the presence of any club is not only by launching the website. We can present ourselves by updating the website regularly and by some concept, some new ideas, what is happening, what is coming to happen in next few days, because in pandemic situations we are all close within a boundary. Okay, so we have to manage such events. And also please kept in mind that we have to not take from money and all those things, because at this situation university is providing full support to all of us. And if you are coming in our campus, as said Dr. Dharmen, that there are so many events is going in person, so it is very interesting and very innovative in that sense. With these words, I would like to once again congratulate to all students and team member of the Robotics Club. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We will surely take all the suggestions and all the advice uh, and incorporate them.
Thank you so much to all the honorable faculty members. We are really grateful that you are present here, and we will incorporate each and every advice given by you all. And we are really blessed to receive such advices, because we are here to learn from your experience and learn from you all. So thank you so much once again. Now I hand over it to Shreya.
Now, I would like to introduce our technical secretaries, Ananta Sharma ma'am, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, BTech final year, and Kshitij Srivastava sir, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, BTech final year. Back to you, Swaraj.
Now, last but not the least, I would call on the mic the person who binds us all in one group, preventing all the mutinies and all the misunderstandings. He also represents RC Robotics Club, the Mr. President of RC, Prajwal Singh sir from ECE final year. Please, sir, come up on the mic.
Thank you, Swaraj. Thank you all esteemed faculty members for giving us important lessons and telling us and indicating us the areas from which or in which we can improve ourselves. And the main purpose of Robotics Club is to improve, is to learn from our past experiences and improve and project different things that we can implement in a very innovative way. The site is very good. As I know, the team was very hardworking.
Thank you,
Thanks.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your meaningful words. Thank you so much, sir. So, with the kinds and meaningful words of Prajwal Singh, sir, I would like to wind up this session. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you to you all. Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
for your
much.
presence.
Really honored. We are really honored.
Thank
to
you,
have
madam.
you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.